All right, YouTube. Say hello to my beautiful daughter. That's what we got here. We got this piece of shit OEM plastic one. And started disassembling it here. As you can see, this junk. We got this good one right here. Yeah. There's the part number. Yeah, made in China. Nothing but the best around here. Alright, I'm gonna continue. Okay, we got the, oh, it's puking out a lot. Got the old one off. All we did was remove the intake hose, remove crankcase, your PCV vent, remove the 3 screws in it, and the electrical connector. Got the old one out. Right there, piece of shit. Let's put the new one in. Alright, I got that new shiny sumbitch in there. All I got left to do is hook up the PCV intake, electrical connector, reroute the hoses back where they go, and we'll see. Then we'll do a start up, see if it leaks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got it on. We got everything installed. Put a little bit of water in the reservoir. We're gonna start it up. Yeah. What's the starting temperature? 72. 72, oh my goodness. This car has 188,000 miles on it. Leaking coolant for a year or two or better, and hopefully that's the end of that. But that's that, guys. It's a simple fix. This is the upgraded version over the plastic OEM crap, and only time will tell if it's going to hold up. So, if any leaks develop or any problems arise, I will bring you guys back and we will document that. Other than that, I hope all goes well and like and sub, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you. What do you think, YouTube? Is that normal? Ain't gonna blow up on me, is it? I don't want to die. It hasn't gotten over about 220, 222. I feel like we're gonna live. I don't know though, let me know. I want to know if it's coming. Well, good news, guys and gals. We didn't die. No leaks. Temperature stayed right there at 220 or better. Sitting there now at about 207. So, I think it's that's a good part for now. We'll see. Please, thanks for watching. All right, like and subscribe.